Hello guys, welcome to the next edition of our programmable logical control. In the last video, we saw the logic and ladder programming of auto changeover between mains and generator supply. In this video, we are going to see its HMI design and simulation. First, I'll open my HMI software from here. Click on this new file. For this particular project, I am going to use 800 by 40 resolution screen here. This 800 by 40 resolution screen, okay, here. And after that, we come down here and type our project name. So we say auto failure. Alright. Yeah, after that, we click next. Now in this page, we have to select our communication settings. So for this communication, we have to select our simulator which we have created in our COMGR software. So here we select the driver name and click on finish. Okay. And click on finish. So guys, this is our workspace. Now if you can remember, we use two inputs through PLC to sense whether our main power is available or not, and similarly whether the DG power is available or not. So first we right click on the workspace here, select the button, okay, and from here we select the maintain button, okay, and from here we select the maintain button, okay. Then we come here and draw a box like this. Alright, okay, and double click over it. So first we are going to select its address. We click over here. This is our X0 inputs, which says whether the main power is available or not. So for that, I will set address to X0 and click enter. So it's already on X. So here I will select 0 here, then and click enter. Alright, so next we are going to give it image on or off condition, but before that, here we have to select the 0 state here, which means off condition. So while the main power is off, what I want to do now is I want to do some kind of settings here. So first of all, I want to change its background color. So here we go to style, okay, change the color from here, select white and click OK. So now we add some text to it. From here I can format my text. So first I will increase the size, its size to 20, okay, make it bold and change the color to red color. Use this red color here. Yeah, now this 0 here represents off condition. So I will type in here mains off. Mains off. Okay. Now, as you can see, the text is appearing in our preview box here. Okay. So we can also make some alignments over here, from here. Alright. But the text is already appearing well, so there is no need for that. Alright. So similarly for on state, we want to show if the main supply is available, right? So we'll come here and type. We select this main, type main on. Alright. And just like we did previously, we are going to format our text. So first we'll select the color here. This time around we are going to use blue color for the on state. So we select, then we adjust the size to probably 14. We use this 14. Then we make a kind of some kind of alignment here. We align it to bottom. Alright. Now again we go to main. And for on condition, we also want to change this background color to white. So here we go to style. Click here. Click on this white and click OK. And we also want to insert image here. So we go to picture. Alright. Click on this none. Select 100 series. Then we scroll down here and select this electricity. So for this on position, we are going to use this image for our on position, for our on condition, sorry. So here we drag this to this place. Alright. And click OK. So if you notice, you can see that the image is not appearing properly over here. So we come down to this stretch mode and select this stretch all. As you can see, it's not appearing properly. but our test is overlapping it. So first we are going to do some kind of modification. So we'll come here first and change this size to 12. Then we'll come here and do this place like this. Type on here. Alright. As you can see, it's now appearing well. Alright. So we simply click OK. As you can see, our input is created. Okay. So similarly, we will create input for DG supply, whether the DG power is available or not. Now, instead of us to repeat all the steps, we will simply copy this block and change the required item. So here, we'll right click, copy, okay, right click again, and paste. Okay. So now, we'll drag this to this side. Right. Then double click over it. First of all, I have to change its address. So I have connected the DG input to X1 position. So I will type X1 here. Alright, now go to the tests. In the off condition, we type DG off here. We type DG. Okay, let's just do this here. Let's do this here. DG off here. Alright. Similarly, we do the same in the on condition by typing DG on and press OK. Now, as you can see, this is the off condition and this is the on condition. So if you click 1 over here, it will change to on condition, and if you click 0 over here, it will change to off condition. Next, we are going to show the status of the mains and DG's contactor over here. So for that, we right click again, select indicator and multi-indicator. Alright, then we come over here and draw a box like this again. Alright, then we right click. First, we are going to add its address. Okay, so we come here. So here I will type Y0, which is our mains contactor. Okay, and press enter. Alright, now we want to show whether this Y0 is on or off. Alright, so I first of all select 0 over here. Alright, for this, because this is our off condition. Now in the off condition, I want to show it like this color, like this. So I click over here. Alright, so along with it, I would also like to show some text over here. So I'll go to test here. On this on condition, 0 condition here, I will type mains contactor off. Alright, mains contactor off. Alright, so similarly on the on condition, we'll repeat the same step. So we come here and select 1 here. So here I am going to use green color for the background color. So here I select this green. Okay, or we use this and click OK. Okay, so in this one condition, I will type mains contactor. So here I will go back to test. Alright, come here, type mains contactor on and click OK. Now we can see it in this preview. So we come here and make it bold. Alright, similarly in the off condition here, we come here and make it bold as well. Then we come here and click OK. So you can see our output is created. So similarly, we want output for our DG contactor. Okay, just like the way we did the last time. We copy and paste this here. Okay, then we drag this to this place. Alright, right click. First of all, we change its address because DG contactor is connected to Y1. So we type Y1 here. Okay, Now we need to change its text. For off condition here we type DG contactor off. Similarly, same in on condition. DG contactor on. So here we press OK. So here we have created two outputs, and we want two indicators for DG start command and the DG stop command. So again, we right click here, select indicator and multi-indicator. Okay, we come over here and draw a block box like this. Alright, now we right click on it. This time we are going to use round indicator. First of all, I'm going to change its type from here. Click here and click round. Alright, go to main, select this address. Here I want to show whether DG start command is available or not. That is my output Y3. So here I will select Y and type 3 here, then press enter. Now for off condition, we are going to show one image here. Now I click on this picture, click here, go to service, scroll down and click on this lamp. We use this for off condition, so we drag it here, press it here and press OK. If the image is not visible, okay, we go to stretch all and stretch all. Now the image is visible openly, right? So similarly for on condition, we'll use one picture. So come here, select this picture, come here, select here, go to service, come to lamp. We are going to use this green for our on condition, so we drag it to this place and press OK. And then go to stretch mode and stretch all. And now our output is visible, so here we click OK. So here what will happen now, if the DG start command is not available, it will appear like this, okay? But if the DG start command is available, it will appear in this green state, okay? Similarly, we need another output that if the DG stop command is available, it should appear red. So here I will copy here, okay, right click and paste it here. Alright, then drag it over to this place. Double click over it. First of all, I will change its address. In DG stop command, I have connected to output Y4. So here I will select Y4 and type 4 here. Okay, now for the on state, then I will press enter. Now for the on state, that means when the stop command is available, the PLC will give stop command to DG. So I want this image to be red color. So here I will go to image, select this, okay, still we are going to use okay, we are going to use this, okay, and press OK and click OK again. Now what will happen? If the DG start command is available, it will appear like this. If the DG stop command is available, it will appear like this. And if both are now off, that means either the start command or the off command is available, it will appear like this. Okay, now we are going to show the timers for each of these 4 items. As you can remember, in the logic we have used 4 timers. So here I will display the value of all the timers. So I will right click again, click on data display, select numeric display. Okay, now we draw a box like this, then stretch it a little. Alright, double click over it, format this box. Here now we will change its style, change the border color to blue and the background color to green. So here I'll click on this style, remove the border, change the border color to blue, click OK here, and the background color I will change it to this green and click OK here and click OK. Now we have to use 4 timers. I'll copy and paste this timer 4 times. So I'll just like this, copy, come here, paste, then adjust it like this, copy it, paste again, adjust it like this, paste again, and adjust it like this. Now we need to give address to our data display, very important. So first of all, this is our digi start command. So here we use timer T0. So we'll right click here, come to this address, come here, select T for timer and type 0 here for digi start command. Okay, click enter and click OK. Alright, after digi is started, I have to start digi contactor over here. So I double click here. For the digit contactor, we use timer T1 in our programming. So I'll come here, select T here, 1, and click enter. Then we'll click OK. Alright. The only thing remaining now is to give labels these items. Now again we right click, go to button, come down here, click on this multi action, then come here and draw a box like this. Alright. Right click on it, come to tests, make the test board, change its size to 12, then come here, right, dg starts. Alright, then we'll click OK here. Okay, then we'll copy and paste this for the remaining items. So here we'll right click, copy and paste here, paste again, yeah, paste again. Okay, then change its respective text by double clicking over this. So this one should be our digi stop. Alright, so go to tests, right, digi stop, then we'll click OK. The next one is this one should be our timer T1, T2, yeah, this should be our timer T2. So come here, T2, press OK. So this is our T1. What's this? T1. Press OK. This is our T0. And this is our T3. We can also type our project name over here, but first of all, let's do some settings here. Okay, we'll take this and do this. Okay, now we'll come here and adjust this to this place. This one we adjust them to this place. Right click on this button, come to multiple action. Okay, right click, go to tests. Yeah, we are going to use auto mains failure controller using PLC. That should be our project name. So right here, Okay, make it bold here. Then come here and change the color. You can use this. Okay, then go to the style and change the background color. Okay, press enter. Okay, so guys, we have designed our HMI screen. Now it's time to do our simulation. Okay,